Spectre.ai is an online financial trading site basically that allows you to trade on the direction of currencies, gold, silver, and the EPICs for financial gain. Uniquely, it offers the ability for traders to earn up to 400% returns ROI on just one trade within minutes. Not even in minutes, even in seconds. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video we are going to review each and everything regarding the Spectre.ai platform, how it will work and how you can sign up on this platform and take maximum advantage from it. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto and even the other news. So first of all, I am going to tell you the major thing regarding the Spectre.ai. Here you can see high frequency, low risk trading for the Asian market. Unlike you can say the traditional forex or option brokers who make money when you lose, Spectre.ai simply earns a volume based technology fee when you trade regardless of the outcome, win or lose. That is basically the main key factor of the Spectre.ai. But there are multiple features which I am going to tell you in this video. First of all, the major you can say the whole key factors of the Spectre.ai. The first one is an ambitious platform that disrupts the traditional broker trading model and eliminates fraud and manipulation. The second one is unlimited free demo account for those who wish to gain experience in online trading. The third one is clean, simple and easy to use user interface. That is such a great thing that easily you can use the entire platform. For example, if you want to sign up on this platform, you just have to click on this link, sign up now. Then basically you have to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, confirm password, and then you have to agree all the terms and conditions. After that, when you are going to click on the sign up, basically they will send you a confirmation email. You have to confirm that email and then simply you can log in on the platform where basically you can say the trader protection algorithm assisting with emotion control, risk management and the ability for a user to track their stats. That is a you can say a great thing. Okay, after basically signing up and log in on the main platform of the Spectre.ai, then you will basically see all the major options, epic indices based on actual historical currency baskets and allowing for trading 24/7 including weekends. Hyper API can be used to automate trading and allows developers to build automated strategy robots, applications and trading interfaces that interact with the Spectre platform. There are a number of payment options here. You can see it by yourself. As per my point of view, I think all the payment methods are accepted over here. Number of payment options are on Spectre.ai. Spectre U token is the world's first you can say financial trading platform that feature the key unlocks for the traders who hold the special utility token SXUT. That is such a great thing regarding this platform that anyone who is going it is basically an internal currency based privilege enabler. This means those who hold this token in their digital wallet can enable higher payouts. That is a great thing regarding this platform. Here you can see each and everything. Spectre.ai, unlike other brokers, shows its live liquidity pool that is crowdsourced and acts as counterparty to traders on the platform. This means that even if there is one trader or millions trading, Spectre.ai always has liquidity. This liquidity is protected and secured, giving traders long-term comfort. Basically, traders trade either against each other P2P or against the liquidity pool. This means no trader is trading against a shady broker's balance sheet who may choose to pay out or not. Neither Spectre.ai nor the traders have access to the crowdsourced liquidity pool. Only next generation immutable contracts can extract or send funds from and to the crowdsourced liquidity pool. That is basically the main features of the Spectre.ai platform. So you must have to sign up on this platform, and even you have the chance to use each and everything, especially the free demo account, if you want to learn something more, especially regarding the trading. And even I will make another video for you in which I will tell you that how you can use the platform Spectre.ai. So it is such a great thing, and it is a new revolution in the whole market, and you must have to check each and everything regarding it, because at this time they are offering you 400% ROI. So you must have to try it, and you must have to multiply your own funds. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. And even you can basically use your own referral link just by clicking on the affiliates. After login, then you have to click on the affiliates, and then simply you can use your own referral link. And when your friend is going to sign up with the help of your referral link, then definitely you are going to make some more money with the help of Spectre.ai.